Okay. Hi everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vince. So in yesterday class, we have completed LDAP integration and started with the UI policies. So in today class also we are going to discuss about few more UI policies examples. Okay. If anyone still not received your Servicenow instances and still in waiting list. Yes. So yesterday I have written few points. We will discuss later. First of all, we will go to these examples. Okay. Yes. So you can see the third example in UI policy. Make email mandatory and visible. Mobile and manager visible if name is not empty. Okay. If name is not empty. Yes. So I'm going to my parent table. So we have to make email field is mandatory and visible. Comma, mobile and manager fields are visible if name contains some value. Okay. Yes. So here I'm going to my parent. Yes, I went to my parent. So I'm clicking on new form. So here you can see if name contains any value. For example, if name contains any value, we have to make visible this email field and make mandatory. Okay. Mobile and phone fields, phone and manager fields we have to make visible. So by using UI policy, I'm going to UI policy and I will configure UI policies. I'm going to configure UI policies. Yes. I'm going to new UI policy here. So you can see copying it and I'm pasting here. You can see make email field mandatory and visible, comma, mobile and manager fields are visible if name is not empty. So here we have to make a condition. Name is not empty. Is not empty. Okay. Yes. If name is not empty, what we have to perform? We have to perform UI policy action on three fields here. One is email field, another one is manager and mobile field. Okay. Yes, I'm saving it. You can scroll down and you can start creating a UI policy action. Yes, email. Yes, we have to make email visible true and mandatory true also. Okay. Yes, I'm submitting it. Next, manager and mobile. Manager and mobile. We have to make field visible. Next, I'm going to next web policy action. Field name. So manager visible true. Okay. So I'm submitting it. Next, phone or mobile. Where is phone? Yes, phone visible true. You can say I have successfully created three web policy actions for this web policy. Okay, email is mandatory and visible. Phone and manager are visible true. Okay, now you can come here and you can refresh the form. You can see what happens. What happening here? Tell me, guys. Yes, email, phone, email, mobile, and manager fields are not visible. I'm keeping something in name field. You can see it is populating. Phone and manager are visible. Email field is visible and mandatory. Got it, everybody? Yes or no? Next, I'm going to fourth example. Make business justification mandatory and visible if manager is able to tap. Okay. Yes. So I hope here we don't have business justification. Configure. I'm going to form layout. I hope we have additional comments field. Wait. Yes, we have business justification field created. I'm going to business justification field. I'm saving it. Now we have to make business justification is mandatory and visible if manager is able to tap. Okay. Yes. I'm copying it. And I'm going to new web policy. Duplicate. Configure UI policies. New. Yes. Make business justification mandatory and visible if manager is able to tap. Okay. Yes. Manager. So here we have to make filter condition manager is able to tap. Manager is able to tap. I'm saving it. So we have to make business justification mandatory and visible. Mandatory to visible true. Okay. Yes, I'm submitting it. Yes, now you can come to the my parent farm and you can see how it looks like. Okay, For example, title is empty. Mr. I selected here. May female I selected. Maybe in the name field I'm saying Anusha. Okay. Yes. Here it is showing email, phone, manager, location. In manager now I'm saying Abel total. Okay. Yes. Business justification is showing here. Okay. For example, I'm removing name in the. For example, I'm removing the name in the name field. Value in the name field. So then what happening? Is this web policy working? You mean? Is this web policy working?
No.
No, it is not working. You can come here. So you can open this web policy action. Here you can see, here we have clear the field value. Clear the field value. Okay. So for example, if something is happened to manager field, we are clear. No, not this one actually. Wait. Yes, not this one actually. Wait. So for example, here I'm saying name is something. Here name is something. And if the manager is Abel total, we are displaying a manager. And now tell me guys, when manager field visible? When manager field visible? Yes, tell me. When manager field visible? If name contains some value. Name contains some value. That means along with this manager condition, we have to keep name condition also. Okay. Name is not empty. Now you can see now it will perfect. Yes. Now you can come and refresh. It will work perfectly now. But they haven't mentioned that name is not empty condition here. Based upon the third UI policy, we are making name is not empty for fourth UI policy also. Okay. So for example, here I'm selecting this, and here I'm saying something Anji, and here I'm saying mail. So here I'm saying manager is Abel total. Okay, Abel total. So now I'm removing name. Now you can see. Now it is working fine or not? Yes or no? Yes. If name is not empty and manager is not Abel total, we are hiding the business justification field. Okay, guys. Yes. Fifth one. If name contains any value, make business justification read only. Okay. This is another one. If name contains any value, make business justification read only. So within this example, we are keeping business justification mandatory if manager is Abel total. If the name contains any value, I'm planning to make business justification read only. Okay. If we after seeing this example, we will discuss about this one. Okay. We will discuss about this one. Yes. Now I'm closing this UI policy. I'm taking duplicate window. Configure UI policies. I'm going to configure UI policies. New. Yes. You can say if name contains any value, make business justification read only. Okay. Here we have to make name. 1 minute. Name is not empty. Okay. Yes. I'm saving it. Maybe name is not empty. So you can click on new button here. Field name, business justification, read only true. Submit. Yes, we have successfully created this UI policy. Okay. And here you can see we are getting something in red color. Here we are getting something in red color. It's okay. We'll discuss later about that. You can come and refresh here. You can see what happens. Nothing is showing here. In the name field, I'm showing Anji. Okay. In the manager, I'm saying Abel total. Yes. Business justification is coming. And one more thing is you can see. So what is this? If name contains any value, make business justification read only. Okay. But here you can see, when come and refresh here, you can see name contains Anji. Is business justification is available here? Yes or no? Tell me guys. No.
No.
If we make able tutor is true, if we make able tutor is if we make manager able tutor, it is showing business justification. If name contains any value, make business justification read only. Is business justification read only here?
No.
If name contains any, no. So why? Because of, so if we make any field mandatory and read only at a time, if we make any field mandatory and read only at a time, so if that field contains any value, that field should be in read only mode. If that field doesn't have any value, it will be editable. Okay, got it? So if we are planning to make field mandatory and read only at a time, if that field contains any value, that field goes to read only. If that field doesn't contains any value, still that field is editable. Okay, you can see here. This point will tell us. So if the field mandatory and read only true, for executing both conditions, that field must contain a value. Otherwise, it show only mandatory. Okay. Got it? This point, everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And here you can see, here we have one point. So do you think this fifth if policy and fourth if policy working fine? No. Fifth if policy not working fine. Yes or no? Yes. We have written if policy as per criteria, but it is not working fine. Because of in if policies, it don't accept using same field on multiple if policies. Okay. In if policies, don't use same fields in multiple if policies. So our business justification field we have used for multiple fields. Our business justification field we have used for multiple if policies. How to identify that? How to identify that we have used same field on multiple if policies? So
Yeah, we got a red mark.
yes, exactly. If we use same field in multiple if policies, we will get a red mark here. Okay, we will get a red mark here. Got it, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. Now you have to correct it. Duplicate. I'm going to configure if policies. Where is business? Make business justification mandatory and visible. So in these two if policies, we have used the business justification. Okay. So you can see here also it is showing red color. Here also it is showing in red color. If you open other if policies, it won't show any color. Maybe it show green color, otherwise it don't show any color. Okay. So you can see it is not showing any color. That means you haven't used this gender field, for example. You haven't used this gender field in multiple if policies. Okay. Yes. Now we have to use business justification field in only one if policy. Okay. Yeah. You come here. So here what's the requirement? Here what's the requirement? Name is not empty. If name is not empty, then what we have to do? We have to make business justification read only true. Here, if name is not empty and manager is able tutor, manager is able tutor. So we have to make mandatory true, visible true, and okay, yes. And now I am mixing those two conditions, those two if policies here. Finally, I'm making read only also. So finally, I'm making read only also here. Okay. Now we don't require this. Now we don't require this if policy. Okay, I'm deactivating it. It's not correct to use same field in multiple if policies. Okay. Now you can see business justification not showing in red color now. Okay, because of we have deactivated this business one. Now you can come here and you can see it will work perfectly. But business justification, we can able to see if name is not empty and manager is double total, then only we are able to see. Okay. Yes, I'm saying something. Name is Anji. Manager is double total. Yes. Business justification is showing perfect. What about read only? Yes, I'm saving this. For example, I'm keeping something in business justification and I'm saving it. 1 minute, Anji@gmail.com. I'm saving it. Now you can see what happens. What happening? Business justification. It's satisfying both or not. So you can say now business justification read only if name is not empty. Okay. If your name is not empty and manager has ability to business justification is mandatory. Here you can see for this field we have mandatory and read only. Got it, everybody? And it also satisfying this point. This point. Okay, if field is mandatory and read only true, for executing both conditions, that field must contain a value. Otherwise, it show only mandatory. Got it, everybody? This point. For this point, I have written fifth if policy. Okay. Yes. Yes, you have any queries here? Yes. Then I'm going to sixth example. Sixth example is different one. So you can see if incident state is resolve, close, or cancel, hide task as a related list on instant form. First of all, I'm going to instant form. Okay, I'm closing my parent table. Here we have completed web policies with my parent table. What it is? I'm going to instant. So I'm going to open instant all. Okay. I'm opening one incident. Maybe this instant I'm opening. So in the instant form, we have to write a web policy to hide the related list. Till now, we have make read only, mandatory, visible or hidden fields. Now I have to keep related list hidden. So here we have task SLA. Okay. Here we have task SLA related list. So if the state is new, sorry, if the state is resolved, close or cancel, hide the task SLA related list on instant form. So for example, if the state is resolved, close or cancel, I don't want this task SLA related list here. I don't want task SLA related list here. For that, I'm going to web policy. So till now we have done the if policy action. Now we have to perform if policy related list action. Okay, I'm going to if policies. Yeah, I'm clicking on new button. So I'm copying this. Copy it. Yeah, I'm pasting here. Okay. State is resolved, closed or cancelled, hide the task SLA related list on the instant form. Now here I'm keeping condition state is one of resolve, close, cancel. If the state is one of resolve, close or cancel, I'm saving this UI policy. Now you can come to the UI policy related list action. Okay, UI policy related list action. So here you can see we have UI policy related list action. Okay, UI policy related list action. We have to hide a task SLA. I'm going to new here. If it is a related list action, we can able to visible or hidden. Only that option is there. Okay. So task SLA, yes. Visible, false. We don't want to display, right? That's why I'm keeping visible false. I'm submitting it. Yes, we have successfully created this UI policy. You can see guys here we have did UI policy related list action. Okay, here we did UI policy related list action. You can come to this instant form. Now the incident state is in new state. That means task SLA is showing here. Now I'm keeping incident state is resolved. What happened to task SLA here? Hiding or not? Yes, it is successfully hiding the task SLA. Everybody got it, this example? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, perfect. Okay. So my explanation is completed. I'm deactivating this UI policy. Guys, if you are planning to do any UI policies on existing tables, yes, you can practice any example on existing tables, and then after you can deactivate your configurations, okay? Otherwise, we will confuse. Yes.
Yeah,
Next.
okay.
Next, I'm closing this one also. I'm closing this one also. Next. I'm keeping 7th example. UI policy scripting example.
I just have one question here.
Yes.
If this modification we are doing with some another user, suppose on incident form, so that
Okay.
will changes will be the only for that user, right? Or not affected any other user.
You can repeat your question.
I'm saying if suppose I've logged in as a Ravi into the service now, and
Okay.
I'm changing some incident UI policy. So that effect will be for that user only, not to other user, right?
No, that effect will be to everywhere. It is a configuration, right?
Okay,
It will affect everywhere. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yes.
In the real time, we do not do any actions on the existing records like incident or problem change, right?
No, it's not like that. We will do the configurations on existing tables, existing configurations also will modify based upon the requirement. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes. You can see 7th example. UI policy, I have to use alert message in the UI policy. For example, I have to use alert message in the UI policy. I'm going to my parent table. So yes, new, I'm saying new. Yes, my explanation is completed. I'm going to configure UI policies. First of all, I will keep all these UI policies deactivated for my scripting UI policy. So here you can see, guys, in the UI policies, we have order. Order means sequence. Okay, 100. You can give 100, 200, 300. As per order you have given here, it will execute the UI policies. Okay, as per order you have given, UI policies will execute. Got it, everybody? So I'm keeping false as of now. Wait. Yes, I'm going to new UI policy. I'm going to new UI policy. Yes. If name is empty, if name is empty, display alert message. Okay, if name is empty, display alert message. So here I'm keeping something like name. I'm checking the condition. Name is empty. Name is empty. I'm saving it. Okay. Yes. Now here I'm going to script. I'm going to script here. If name is empty, I have to execute a script. So here we have to write two scripts here. true condition script, false condition script. So for example, if name is empty, I'm keeping alert message saying that name is empty. Please enter your name. I'm saying like this. Alert. Name is not empty. Okay. Yes. I'm keeping two alert messages here. Okay. Alert message means it will display a message on the screen, on the form. Okay. So if the name is empty, this message will appear. If the name is empty, this message will appear. If the name is not empty, this message will appear. This is a false condition script. This is a true condition script. Everybody got it, the script? Simple single line code only.
Yes,
Okay.
Sanjay.
Yes, perfect. I kept run script and so here I'm selecting all. Yes, I'm saving it. Yes, I'm going to my parent. Now I'm going to new. So name is empty. So you can say what it is saying. Name is empty. Please enter your name. Okay, here name is empty. That's why it is showing. If I'm keeping something in the name field, you can see name is not empty. Okay. If I am removing the name, again it will show the message. Name is empty. Please enter your name. So again I'm keeping something name here. Again it will show name is not empty. Got it, everybody? How scripting is executing with UI policies. Again, I will explain one scripting UI policy scripting example once we are entering into the development. Okay. Yes. Again, I'm going to configure UI policies. Again, I'm going to configure UI policies. I have to show one thing. Yes. So I'm at so 1 minute.
Anji,
Yes.
one doubt.
Mhm.
Here we are entering the data on in the form, no?
Yes.
That means the UA policy is applying on change also, you mean?
Yeah, UI policies will also applying an on change. Okay.
In the previous class you said, but they will apply in on-load only.
No, I can't say like that. So UI policies will apply on onload field value change, but it will not apply on the submit, update, save, form submit, save, update. Okay, it won't apply. So field
Yeah,
value change onload will work out. Okay. Yes. For example, I'm activating this business, not this one. So I'm activating this again. Okay. Yes, I'm activating this UI policy again. True. So our scripting UI policy deactivating as my explanation is completed. False. Show matching. So what is this UI policy will do? Making number field read only and name mandatory. Yes or no? Yes. Number field read only, name mandatory. It is shown. I'm clicking on new button. So here you can see number is read only. Yes or no? Number is read only. Name is mandatory. I'm trying to submit a form. I'm trying to submit a form without entering any data in the name field. Is it accepting? No, it is not accepting. I'm trying to remove the data in the number field. Is it accepting? No, it is not accepting through the form. Through the form. For example, now I'm going to list view. Now I'm going to list view. Tracking ID, name field, both are required. So you can now I'm trying to remove the data on the tracking ID. Yes. Is it accepting? So I'm trying to, so you can see guys, it is a read only field. I'm trying to erase the data in the read only field. So I'm trying to remove the data in the mandatory field. From the list view, is it accepting or not? Yes, both it is accepting. That means UI policies never apply to the list. UI policies never apply to the list. Okay, got it, everybody? UI policies only apply to the form. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then if we make this tracking ID read only by using configuration dictionary, you can make name field mandatory by using configuration dictionary. Even it won't allow modifying data from the list view. Okay, even it won't allow modifying the data from the list view. Okay, yes. Next. So maybe I will give you few more examples on UI policies after the end of the class. So now I'm going to do few more examples here. So first one is where is student marks related. I will do it. Okay, student marks. Wait. So first of all, I'm keeping these two. I'm copying it. I hope everybody created these columns. Okay, I hope everybody is created these columns. Okay.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yes, perfect. 40 minutes. Maybe time will not enough for issue management. Wait. So here we have to perform a UI policies on student management table. Okay, what is those? If SSC is true, okay, if SSC is true, make following fields visible. Okay, SSC marks, SSC university. If SSC, sorry, if enter is true, make following fields visible. SSC marks, SSC university. Next, enter marks, enter university. Okay, if BTech is true, make following fields visible. Okay, those are SSC marks, SSC university, enter marks, enter university, BTech marks, BTech university. Okay, got it, everybody? So you have to do this example, guys, in today after the class. Okay, you have to perform this UI policy example. Okay. Next. Next, I'm going to, so this second task UI policies are homeworks for you. Okay, and second task I'm going to explain now. Guys, it will take some extra time. Is it okay? Maybe up to 7:30. I will try to close this example by 7:20. If not possible, I will try to take up to 7:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay, Anji.
Okay,
no
Anji.
Okay, fine. So because
Okay.
of it contains almost 10 UI policies examples. Wait. So first of all, I'm going to create a table, issue management system. If anybody created issue management in my no.
Yes,
Nobody.
Sanjay, you can use.
Yes, and you
all the
can
records.
use ours.
Sorry, I didn't
Yeah,
get.
you can use our update set, Anji. We have already created.
What updates that we have?
No,
can-
Anjay, already we have a configured that table.
Issue management. I hope
Yes.
not. No. I haven't. I hope. No, I haven't created.
No, Anji, what we are saying, we have already development completed for that. You can use already existing configurations from my
Yeah.
instance.
Okay, tell me your instance ID then. Perfect. Dev. Yes, send me your instance ID then immediately.
Yes, Anji, I am sharing.
Yes, please share.
Yes, I said on the chat.
Perfect. Thank you. You have created update set.
Yes, Anji.
Mhm. I will try to utilize your update set. No, password is wrong. It's showing.
What happened?
Okay, fine. No problem. I will create
Okay,
a
and
table.
you can use mine.
No. I'm going to create issue management table in my instance itself.
Okay.
It won't take more than 5 minutes. New. So issue management system. Okay, issue management system. So I want auto generate a number here. Yes. I'll say ISM. I'm saving it. Okay. Issue management system. Copy. So I'm going to this table form view directly. So I'm going to create a fields configure form layout. So a number, do you want to create it? Type of incident. Do you want to create incident? Yes. Do you want to create incident? Question mark. Okay. It is choice data type, right? I hope a choice data type. Yes. Next. Is incident already available? Is incident already available? This is true or false field. Next. So incident reference table to incident only. Next. Incident reference incident. New incident string. New incident string. Okay. Next. Do type of issue. Choice. Do you want to create problem? Question mark. This is also choice. Is problem already available? Okay, this is true or false field. Next, problem. It is reference field. Next, new problem. String. Okay. Next, issue description. String. Detailed issue description. Detailed issue description. String launch. Here I'm selecting. Okay. Add. So here I'm using split and split. So I'm using and split here. Issue description split. I'm using a type of issue. Okay, I'm saving it. Close it. Yes. So you can see type of issue. I'm configuring the choice values. Configure choices. Incident. Problem. Okay. Yeah. I'm saving it. Do you want to create incident? I'm configuring choice values SR now. Yes. Oh my God, we have to keep two values, right? SR now. Configure choices. No, also I'm making here. Save it. So here also I'm keeping configure choices SR now. Saving. Okay. Yes, this is my issue management table. Okay, this is my issue management table. So I'm going with first if by policy. Okay, I'm going with first if by policy. Control X, I will keep here. Yes, first if by policy. Make number read only, and issue type mandatory. Yes, this is my first if by policy. Make number read only and issue type mandatory. Yes, you can come here. I'm taking duplicate window. I'm going to configure if by policies. New if by policy I'm taking. Yes, short description. Short description. Make number read only and issue mandatory. I'm saving it. Then scroll down. I'm going to if by policy action here. I'm clicking on new button. Field name. Number. Read only true. Read only true. Okay. Wait. Here you can see I make number read only and type of issue is mandatory. Okay, perfect. Now you can come and refresh here whether it is applied or not. Yes, it is applied. Perfect. Now next to if by policy I'm going. Make Make, do you want to create incident visible? Make, do you want to create incident visible? If type of issue is incident. Okay. Yes, this is my second divide policy. Everybody got it? What I have to perform with second divide policy? Make, do you want to create incident visible if type of issue is incident? Yes. Yes. I'm going to take duplicate window.
Yes, Sanjay.
I'm going to configure divide policies. Next divide policy. Yes. So here we have to check what type of issue is incident. Okay, perfect. I'm saving it. Yes. Here I'm saying new UI policy action. That is, do you want to create incident? Do you want to create incident visible to? Okay. Yes, submitting it. Yes, now you can come and refresh here. You can see how it looks like. No, it is not showing here. So now I'm making incident. Then do you want to create incident is appearing. Same third UI policy. Okay. Make, do you want to create problem visible if type of issue is problem? Got it, everybody? Yes. I'm copying this and I'm going to create a new UI policy. For that, do you want to create problem field? Configure UI policies. New. I'm keeping like this. Yes. Do you want to create problem visible if type of issue is problem? Now I'm saying type of issue is problem. Okay. I'm saving it. Yes. You can scroll down. So here I'm keeping, do you want to create problem visible true? Okay, I'm submitting it. So next UI policy. Next UI policy, I will do it on these two fields: issue description, detailed issue description. Okay. Yes. So I'm keeping here that UI policy. I'm keeping here. Okay. Make issue description mandatory and visible. Okay. And detailed issue description visible. Okay. If type of issue has some value, has any value. Everybody got it, the second UI policy? See guys, everybody
Yes,
got it?
Sanjay.
Okay. So if type of issue is incident or problem,
Any
we have
problem?
we have to keep issue description field mandatory and visible, detailed issue description field visible. Okay. I'm copying it. I'm closing it. You can come and refresh here. Whether do you want to create problem working fine or not? We will check. Yes, it is working fine. Now I'm selecting problem. It's showing. I'm taking duplicate. Configure. I'm going to configure my policy. New. Yes. Here you can see type of issue. Type of issue is not empty or is one of those values. We don't have not empty condition here. That's why I'm keeping is one of incident or problem. And I'm saving it. Yes. Now I'm keeping issue description mandatory and visible here. Where is issue description? Yes, issue description. Mandatory true, visible true. I'm submitting it. Yes, next. Detailed issue description visible. Yes, detailed issue description is true. I'm closing this web also. You can come and refresh here. Reload. Yes. Okay. Now I'm keeping incident. Yes, it is showing. Now making none. Hiding. Now I'm keeping problem. It is showing. Perfect. Okay. Next one. Next web policy. If type of issue is incident, do you want to create incident is yes. Okay. Do you want to create incident is yes. So I have to make is instant already available. I want to make is instant already available field visible. Okay. Yes, I will note down this. Got it? If type of issue is incident, do you want to create instant is yes? I want to display is instant already available field. Yes. Is incident already available AVAI label. Okay, visible. Visible. If do you want to create incident is yes. Okay, I'm not writing the type of issue is instant. Okay, this is one web policy. This web policy everybody got it. Is instant already available visible? If do you want to create instant is yes. Okay. Yes. I'm copying this web policy condition. Taking duplicate window. Configure UI policies. New. Yes. Okay. Now here, for example, here I'm keeping only one condition. Do you want to create instant? Is yes. I'm keeping condition like this. Okay, you can see what happens. It will not work out actually. We can see what happens. Okay. So in UI policies, you have to make conditions always strong. Okay. Yes. Is instant already available. Visible true. Perfect. I'm submitting it. Now you can come and refresh here. Let's refresh. Reload. Yes. Now you can see. Now I'm selecting type of issue is instant. Perfect. Now I'm selecting do you want to create instant as? It is showing or not? Is instant already available? Yes, it is showing. Now, for example, here I'm selecting problem. Still it is showing or not? Is instant already available? Yes, it is wrong. That's why I'm keeping the condition like this. First of all, I'm keeping type of issue is incident. Type of issue is instant. Then after I'm keeping do you want to create instant test? Okay. Yes, you have to keep conditions always like this. I'm saving it. Now you can come and refresh here. Reload. Is my voice clear? So here you can say I'm selecting type of issue is instant. Now I'm saying, do you want to create instances? Yes, it is appearing. For example, here I'm selecting problem. Then it is also hiding. Perfect. Next UI policy, same on the problem field. See? Sixth UI policy. Make problem already available. Problem already available visible. If do you want to create problem is yes. You want to create problem is yes. Okay. Copying it. I'm saving it. Yes. I'm closing this. I'm taking duplicate window. Configure UI policy. New. Yes, it's loading. Is my voice clear? Or any internet issues? Type of
Clear,
issue.
Anshul.
Anjay, that is clear.
It is clear and
Okay. Type of issue is problem. Okay. And do you want to create problem? He says. Yes. Okay. I'm saving it. Yes, it's loading. Okay, fine. Can scroll down. Can keep UI policy action for this. Is problem already available? Visible to. I'm submitting it. Yes. You can come and refresh here. Reload. Yes, perfect. Now you can see, now I'm keeping type of issue is problem. I'm keeping, do you want to create problem as, then it is showing. Okay, perfect. Next, again, I'm going to type of issue is instant. Do you want to create problem? Instant is yes. Is instant already available? Yes. Now, if is instant already available is true. If is instant already available is true, then make instant mandatory and visible. Okay, make instant is mandatory and visible. Next UI policy. If is incident already available is true. Okay, make incident mandatory and visible. Comma visible. Got it, everybody? If is instant, guys, here they are saying above condition only. So you have to follow these two conditions also. Type of issue, do you want to create also, you have to follow. Otherwise, you will get issues here. Okay. So in UI policy condition, what you have to make, type of issue is instant. Do you want to create instant is yes. Is instant already available true. Then you have to write the UI policy action on instant table, that is mandatory and visible. Okay, like that you have to create UI policy. Yes. I take a duplicate window. I'm copying this UI policy. Configure UI policies. So new. Yes. Okay. Now I'm making the conditions like this. Type of issue is incident. And do you want to create incident? Yes. And is incident already available? True. Okay. I'm saving it. Yes. I'm clicking on new button. So here you can see incident reference field. Have to make mandatory true, visible true. Okay, and I'm submitting it. Okay. Yes. Now you can come and refresh here. It is working fine or not, we can see. So type of issue is incident. Do you want to create incident as is incident already available? True. Yes. Incident is making mandatory. Okay. Like that, we have to perform for problem. Yes. I'm taking duplicate window. Copying it. Next I'm going for 80 by policy. If problem already available is to make problem mandatory and visible. Okay. So I'm copying it. I'm saving it. Configure UI policies. Right. Making this here. Next. Type of issue is problem. Wait. And do you want to create problem? Is yes. And is incident already available? True. Sorry, is problem already available? Problem already available is true. I'm saving it. In between any queries, please ask me. Yes. I'm going to new web policy action. Problem mandatory true and visible true. Okay. Where is problem? Yes, here. Mandatory true, visible true. I'm submitting it. Okay, perfect. Now you can come and refresh here. Reload. Now type of issue is problem. Do you want to create problem as is problem already available? True. Okay, perfect. Next. Next web policy. If type of issue is incident, do you want to create incident as is incident already available? Is incident already available? False. Okay. Then I have, so here two conditions, guys. Here we have two conditions. We have to make two conditions here. If type of issue is incident, do you want to create incident is yes, and is incident already available? False. I have to make new incident visible and read only. And second condition is, do you want to create incident? No. Wait. No, wait. Wait. Type of issue is incident. Do you want to create incident as? For example, do you want to create incident? 1 minute. Yes, I got it. So next example, you can see if type of issue is incident, do you want to create incident is yes. Is incident already available? False. Is incident already available? False. Okay, then yes, then we have to keep new instant read only and visible. Okay, type of issue is instant. Do you want to create instant is yes? Then is instant already available is false. Then we have to keep new instant mandate. Sorry, read only and visible. Okay, got it, everybody? I will make here. Right. Make new incident read only, comma visible. Okay. If is incident already available, false. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes. So I'm copying this by policy. Everybody got it? So if type of issue is incident, do you want to create instant is yes, is instant already available is false. Is instant already available is false. Then you have to keep new incident read only and visible. So I'm closing this. I'm going to take duplicate window. Configure my policies. Yes, wait. Okay. Yes, here I'm keeping conditions. Type of issue is incident. And do you want to create incident? Yes. And is incident already available? False. Wait. Yes, is instant already available? Is instant already available? False. Okay. Then I'm saving it. Then so new instant read only and visible. New instant read only and visible. Yes. New incident visible true, read only true. Okay, I'm submitting it. Yes. You can come and refresh here. You can see how it looks like. Type of issue is incident. Do you want to create incident as? Okay. So you can see it is false. Automatically it is showing this one. Okay, read only. Like that, we have to perform for problem. I'm copying this and pasting here. Make new problem read only and visible. If problem already available is false. Okay, I'm saving it. Copy. So here the condition, it looks like this problem. Do you want to create problem as? So if it is false, we have to keep new problem read only and visible. I'm taking duplicate. Configure if by policies. I'm going new. Yes. So here you can see type of issue, problem, and do you want to create problem? Yes. Is problem already available? False. Problem already available? False. Okay. Yes, perfect. I'm saving it. So is everybody with me? I'm clicking on new button.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. New problem. Visible true, read only true. Submitting it. Okay. Yes. Now you can come and refresh here. Reload. Yes. Now the type of issue is problem. Okay. Do you want to create problem as? It is false. Is problem already false? Yes. It is read only and visible. Perfect. Now you can say I'm going to next by policy. Okay. I'm going to incident. Do you want to create incident? No. Do you want to create incident? No. Got it, everybody? Yes. If we keep, do you want to create incident? No. We have to display incident reference field, mandatory and visible. Okay. Got it, everybody? So I will note down this way policy here. So I will keep here 11. Make incident mandatory, comma visible. If do you want to create problem is no. Sorry, do you want to create incident is no. Got it, everybody? 11th web also everybody got it? Yes or no? Make incident mandatory and visible. If do you want to create incident is no. Okay. Yes. I'm copying this UI policy. I'm closing this. So here you can see, guys, type of issue is incident. Do you want to create incident? No. We have to keep incident reference field mandatory and visible. Okay, I'm doing that. I'm going to duplicate. Wait. Configure UI policies. View. I'm keeping this one. Yes. Here you can see. Type of issue is incident. And do you want create problem? No. Okay, perfect. I'm saving it. Yes, I'm clicking on new button, new web policy action. Incident. Where is incident? Here it is. So I'm making mandatory true, visible true. Submit it. Okay, perfect. Yes. Here it is showing what? Here it is showing in red color. That means what? So we have used this incident field in multiple UI policies. Yes or no? Yes, because of it is showing in red color. Next, I'm going to create another UI policy. Wow. Copy. I'm pasting it. I will do it for problem also. Make problem mandatory and visible. If do you want to create problem is no. I'm copying it. I'm saving it. I'm closing it. You can come and refresh. Okay. So here I'm going to configure UI policies. I'm clicking on new button. So short description. I'm keeping like this. So type of issue is problem. Okay, and do you want to create problem? Is no. Okay, no. I'm saving it. Yes. So here I'm selecting problem mandatory and visible to. Okay. Problem mandatory true and visible true. Yes. Okay, guys. Now you can see, you can come to issue management. Is there? No. Wait. I haven't refreshed the home page. Now same issue one underscore issue underscore management. Oh, yes, the dark pop. Directly I'm going to pop. Here you can type of issue is problem. Do you want to create problem is no, it is showing problem. Okay. For example, if I'm going to insert, it is removing all problem related fields. Perfect. Okay. And here you can see, here you found one issue. Yes or no? Here we have issue or not? Tell me what is that issue? If type of issue is incident, type of issue is incident. Nothing I have selected in do you want to create incident? Incident showing, incident field is showing. Yes or no? Yes, it is showing. Tell me guys, yes or no?
Yes,
It is showing incident reference field. That is wrong actually. So basically, why this incident field are, maybe you can see, now I will try for problem. You can see for problem also, maybe I'm getting some wrong. Incident problem. Yes, we have issue actually, we have issue with this incident field and problem field because of we have used these two fields multiple UI policies. That's why I'm deactivating this UI policy, this problem related UI policy and instant related UI policy also I'm deactivating. Wait, it's loading. Yes, I have successfully deactivated it. Okay. 11th UI policy and 12th UI policies are I'm deactivating. Configure UI policies. 12, no, 1 minute. So I will bring created field to front. Created. Yes. Okay. It's perfect. Now, yes, I hope I deactivated this one. I also deactivating this one. Okay. Yes, I'm deactivating this UI policy 2. I'm saving it. Yes, this also I deactivated. Now we don't have 11 and 12 UI policies. Okay, I have deactivated it. Okay, now I'm closing these two. Now, so we already have UI policies for this incident field and problem field. Where it is, you can see, guys. A problem. Yes, 6th and 7th UI policies. Yes or no? Yes or no? You can see 6th and 7th UI policies. We already there or not? Yes, it's already there. Okay, so I'm trying to make this UI policy within that UI policies. I'm copying it if it is related to incident. Yes, or I'm saying like this, or this one, make instant mandatory visible. If do you want to create an instant is no. Okay, yes, I'm coming to the UI policies. Where is that UI policy? Yes, this is the actual UI policy. Is instant already available is to make instant mandatory visible. Okay, I'm coming to this UI policy. This is 6th UI policy, guys. I have opened the 6th or 7th. This 7th UI policy I have opened. Okay, and I will simply say yes. Okay, so here you can see I'm making another condition here. Here I'm making adder class. Here I'm using adder class. I'm saying type of issue is incident. And do you want to create problem? Sorry, do you want to create instance is no. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. I'm saving it. Now we don't require this UI policy. Now we don't require this UI policy. I'm deleting it. Next, you can see 12th UI policy. I'm saying Control X. I will keep here. Okay. R. I'm keeping here. Now I will go to that UI policy and I will modify the condition. Okay, perfect. Here I have modified the condition. I will see this condition later. Sorry, please mute yourself. Somebody, who is that? Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna, I'm so sorry. Please mute yourself. Yes. Now you can see simply I'm keeping our class here. I'm keeping this. So here you can see instant mandatory true, visible true. Simply I'm using adder class. Type of issue is problem. Type of issue is problem. And do you want to create problem is no. Do you want to create problem? No. Okay. Yes, perfect. I'm saving it. So here we have reduced 2 UI policies. Here we have reduced 2 UI policies. Okay. Perfect. I'm closing it. Wait. You can come and refresh here. Yes. Now you can see type of issue is incident. Do you want to create incident is no. Perfect. It is showing. If do you want to create incident is yes. If I'm making this one, yes, it is showing perfect. If I'm going to problem, do you want to create problem is yes. If I'm keeping true, yes, it is showing. If I'm keeping no, yes, again it is showing perfect. Okay. So here we have reduced to UI policies. So we can try. Is there any possibility to reduce another UI policies? 1 minute. So here you can see, guys. So 9th and 10th UI policies you can see. 9th and 10th UI policies you can see. No, it's not now. Now it's not possible to reduce any UI policies. Yes, we have to create these 10 UI policies. So for example, if we don't have this OR classes here, then we can mix these 2 UI policies with 7 and 8. 9 and 10 we can mix with 6 and 7. If we don't have this OR classes here. Okay. Now it's not possible. So this is about issue management system. UI policies. You can treat this is a mini project for UI policies. Okay. Now, and so almost we have 10 UI policies came. So if you want to reduce, yes, we can able to reduce one UI policy. For the second one, we can reduce. If you want to reduce, like then you have to keep this in these 2 things. Okay. You have to keep issue description and detailed issue description with 3 and 4 UI policies. You have to keep. Then second UI policy will go on, but you can keep as is. Okay. Yes. So you have any queries with issue management system example? Now you can come here. Once you can see, you can check all the conditions. Yes. Now I'm going to instance type of issue is instant. Yes. If type of issue is something, issue description, detailed issue description is appearing. Do you want to create instant as? If I'm keeping instant as, do you want to create instant as? Is instant already available, visible? If I'm making this true, it is showing like this. If I'm keeping no, it is showing like this. For example, if I'm keeping like this, and if I'm removing true here, it is showing new instant. We come to the problem. So if we select do not type of issue is problem, issue description and detailed issue description is appearing. So if I select no, problem is appearing. If I select yes, so is problem already available, is visible, new problem is appearing here. Okay. And if I'm making true, so this is appearing like this. Okay. Everybody got it? This issue management system. Please try yourself. Okay. So you can try all these 10 UI policies in our Servicenow instances. If you have any issues, please tell me in tomorrow class, we will discuss. And along with this, you have to complete the student management system UI policies. We have only 3 UI policies here. You have to complete it. Okay. So if you are able to do these 2 UI policies, I will explain. Yes, I will go to the data policies concept. Otherwise, tomorrow I will explain student management system UI policies example. Okay. Along with this, I have to explain one more UI policy, that is, so in the UI policy actions, you have seen clear value, right? I have to explain one example with that clear value field. Okay, tomorrow you can remember. Maybe I will note down here. So you have any queries up to now, please let me know. I have to explain student marks, then clear value. UI policy example. Okay, I have to do this too. Next, if I have time, then I will start data policies. Data policies also similar to UI policies only, but UI policies are server-side client-side programming. Data policies are server-side programming. Okay. Yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for staying in class up to 7:33. I'm so happy for this. Thank you. We'll meet you tomorrow.